Welcome to our Kontentino tutorial. Today, we'll cover multi-profile scheduling. There are two ways to choose from, both of which will save you time and effort. The first option is to use the Time Savers feature. Let's start by creating a profile group in the Profile selector. Click the Create Group button. When opened, you can name the profile group, manage its users, upload a logo, and select profiles you want to add to this group. Once you have everything settled, click the Create button. In the Profile selector, you can see the new profile group. Select it by clicking on it. All the content corresponding to the profiles in the profile group will be visible in your calendar. We have prepared a content calendar for one of the profiles in the profile group, in our case, Facebook. Once all the posts are finalized, either select specific posts you wish to duplicate or use the All selection. Click on the Time Savers button and select the Duplicate option. Kontentino will automatically suggest duplicating posts to the profiles within your group. Review and confirm the duplication. After the duplication, you might need to adjust the posts for platform-specific nuances or content optimization. Once everything is finished, you can efficiently schedule all duplicated posts. Select your posts in the calendar, choose Time Savers, and then Schedule. This action schedules all your posts across the selected profiles at once. Bonus tip: the Time Savers actions also apply to other actions like task assignments or sending posts for approval. This means you can comfortably work with multiple posts at once and save yourself a couple of clicks. The second way to schedule a post for multiple profiles is while creating or scheduling a specific post. Firstly, set up a profile group, as described earlier. Then, create and schedule a post. Now, click the duplicate icon in the quick bar. Kontentino will automatically offer all profiles within your profile group for duplication. Choose Duplicate to proceed. The post will be automatically duplicated and scheduled across the selected profiles, and the duplicates will keep the status of the original post. And that's it. If you need further assistance, feel free to contact our customer support team. We will be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.